Welcome to English Unleashed. Whether you're new or a longtime listener, we're thrilled you're here. Today's episode is all about colloquial expressions, those natural phrases that make English conversations feel effortless and warm.
Exactly, Sarah. We'll unpack real-life dialogues, break down key phrases, and show how to weave them into chats with friends, colleagues, or even strangers. Grab a coffee, relax, and let's dive in. Exclamation. Natural, casual language or colloquial expressions are phrases that native speakers use effortlessly in everyday interactions, such as meeting friends or texting. Utilizing these expressions can help make your English sound friendlier and more relaxed. A dialogue will illustrate how these expressions are effectively used in conversations.
A conversation unfolds between two people who haven't met in a long time, inviting listeners to focus on the natural flow, expressions, and rhythm of the dialogue. After the exchange, the key phrases and words will be analyzed and illustrated with real examples and personal anecdotes. Listeners are encouraged to relax and enjoy the experience, perhaps with a cup of coffee or tea.
Leah, I haven't seen you in ages. Seriously, you haven't changed a bit. Running into you just made my whole week.
John! I can't believe it. What are you up to here? Last time was Emma's wedding, back in 2018. How's life treated you?
Busy. New job downtown, moved apartments twice, still hate packing boxes. Tried painting classes last winter. For the time being, I've swapped brushes for gym sessions. What about you?
Work's steady, but I miss our deep talks. Started yoga, a step in the right direction, right? Though my studio feels so run-of-the-mill. Remember our salsa nights? That was fun.
Totally. This reunion's a gift. Before you know it, another 5 years could fly by.
Work swamped, but I'd love to catch up properly. Next weekend, just coffee or a walk, no pressure.
Perfect. I've got my fingers crossed. No last-minute deadlines ruin it. Text me your schedule.
Absolutely. Fingers crossed my boss doesn't call.
Did you catch John's opener? In ages isn't about literal time. It's a hug in word form, perfect for friends you miss.
And note Leah's run-of-the-mill. So polite yet vivid. She called her gym ordinary without insulting it. Compare that to boring. This phrase has finesse. Leah sprays.
For the time being was clever too. Leah admits her yoga habit might not last, but it's honest. Use this for temporary jobs, diets, even bad haircuts.
Finally, fingers crossed. Their shared hope symbol. Physical or verbal. It's solidarity. John used it for plans, Leah for work. Versatile.
The phrase fingers crossed embodies a supportive sentiment applicable in various situations, such as exams, interviews, and even baking. Today's episode concludes with encouragement to use these real-life English expressions for building confidence in communication. More episodes are promised soon to further assist learners in mastering natural English.